how you can fix your TikTok randomly getting logged out. So this is a very common problem, guys. So first, what you might want to do is you might want to check if your TikTok is updated. So let's just go to your app store and then search for TikTok and make sure that is updated to its latest update. So after that, let's just open our TikTok. Now, as you can see, my TikTok is logged in. I have not been logged out, but if you've been logged out, just log back in. And what you might want to do is, according to a report by TikTok, it says that if you're facing this problem, all you need to do is you need to go and reset your password. And after you've reset your password, try to use a really strong password so it cannot get easily hacked. And TikTok also says that this is a very simple glitch and it might be caused due to any network failures or server problems. So it's not really that big of a deal. So all you need to do is change your password and try it again, and hopefully this won't happen again. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. Bye bye.